am the crow from the Cosmic Labyrinth, and we commit to build a camp at the Gathering of the Tribes 2024. However, we may be more than just building a camp. We may infiltrate your camp, or your camp, or your camp, or the whole gathering, as any great trickster would do. You wouldn't know, because we are part of the air tribe, and we flow wherever the wind goes. All right, Cosmic Labyrinth is going to be a gathering of the tribe. And what are we doing? What are we offering? What does it mean to us? We believe and we connect and we have the ethos of the four elements: earth, air, water, fire. Maybe there's a fifth one, but we'll talk about that later. One of the beautiful things we're going to be bringing to the gathering is hosting play shops and gatherings around neuroplasticity, around regeneration, around regenerative economics. We'll do a regenerative economics play shop. We're going to host neuroplasticity laughter play shops. We're going to host gatherings around indigenous roots and connecting with our indigenous roots. We're going to host gatherings around regenerative civic engagement and citizen assemblies and how these can be movements that we can bring to our communities after the gathering. When we all go back to where we're going, what are we going to do? How are we going to enact these regenerative principles that we learn at this gathering beyond just the gathering itself? And then also, one of the best gifts is also for us to play music and sound and heal together around sound. So I'm going to be cultivating some sound healing experiences, maybe at our camp, or maybe at other camps, or maybe at other natural spaces on the land, whatever is wherever the crows are called to caw, wherever they're called. And really excited to all connect with everybody at the gathering, to cultivate a space also where we can tune into our ancestors and do some ancestral healing through ecotherapy, but also through people therapy, but also through visioning and civic imagination and imagination healing, right? So I'm really excited for all of us to connect, and I'm excited also to tune into the land, and I'm also excited to share what Cosmic Labyrinth is doing. If I can share with you guys, you can see we're a lot of cool stuff. Look at this cool stuff. You know, we do really fun stuff. We like to have fun. We like to regenerate. We like to educate. We like to celebrate. We like to practice. And we like to connect with organizations, communities, and all over the world. In fact, we also are looking forward to connecting with organizations or companies that want to hire us to practice and maybe create a culture of regeneration, where the food is not wasted and is gone back to the soil that the companies and organizations eat, that we as a community cultivating actually civic engagement and celebrating diversity in ways that has not even been done yet. We're not even cultivating those things. So anyways, we're excited for that, excited to connect with you guys. Thank you for showing up, and maybe some flute on the way out. What do you feel about that?